How to use ChatGPT, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to Knowledge in Pieces. In this video, we'll be discussing how to use ChatGPT, an easy-to-use chatbot platform that can provide personalized and engaging experiences to users. Using ChatGPT is easy and straightforward. You can access it through a web browser or a mobile app. Here are the steps to follow to use ChatGPT. Visit the ChatGPT website. 1. The first step is to visit the ChatGPT website. You can access the website through a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Select your language. 2. Once you are on the ChatGPT website, you can select your preferred language. ChatGPT currently supports several languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, Chinese, and Japanese. Start a conversation. 3. Once you have selected your language, you can start a conversation with ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT any question or provide a topic for discussion. ChatGPT will generate a response based on your input, using its advanced language generation capabilities. The response will be displayed in the chat window, and you can continue the conversation by responding to ChatGPT's message. Step 4. Provide feedback. As you use ChatGPT, you can provide feedback on the quality of the responses it generates. This feedback helps ChatGPT improve its language generation capabilities over time. You can provide feedback by clicking on the thumbs up or thumbs down icons next to ChatGPT's response. This will let ChatGPT know whether the response was helpful or not. In addition to basic conversation capabilities, ChatGPT also has several advanced features that can enhance your experience. Personalization. ChatGPT can learn from your conversation history and tailor its responses to your preferences. Multi-turn conversations. ChatGPT can remember previous conversations and use that information to provide more contextually relevant responses. API integration. ChatGPT can be integrated with other applications and services, allowing it to perform a range of tasks, including customer service and personal assistant functions. Voice integration. ChatGPT can be integrated with voice assistants, allowing users to converse with it through voice commands. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an easy-to-use chatbot platform that can provide personalized and engaging experiences to users. By following these simple steps, you can start a conversation with ChatGPT and take advantage of its advanced language generation capabilities. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more advanced chatbots and AI-powered solutions that are able to provide personalized and engaging experiences to users. Don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge in Pieces on YouTube and follow us on Instagram at Knowledge in Pieces for more informative content. Thank you for watching.